one tiny substitution destroys this entire integral. If you notice carefully, the derivative of log x is 1 upon x is present right here. So what you have to do is just put log x is equal to u and convert the entire integral from the x world to the u world, and this will be solved instantly. Okay, so now let's differentiate both the sides with respect to x. Derivative of log x with respect to x is 1 over x. Derivative of u with respect to x is du by dx. Now notice in the original integral carefully, there is this dx term and there is this x term. Remember that we have to convert this entire integral from the x world to the u world. So we will also have to convert that dx in terms of du. So if you notice that dx divided by x, that term is getting generated over here in the derivative. So you see the dx over here and the x over here. So what you do, just multiply the dx on the left hand side. So that is, it's going to give you dx divided by x is equal to du. Okay. So that dx divided by x can be just replaced with du. Now let's convert the entire integral in terms of u. So that again dx divided by x is nothing but du in the numerator. And we have 1 over that log x is nothing but u to the power m. I hope that makes sense so far. Now this is the basic algebraic formula for integral. We can just use the law of exponents to write this 1 over u to the power m as u to the power minus m with respect to u. Remember that m is a constant value. Now integral of u to the power minus m is nothing but u to the power minus m plus 1 divided by minus m plus 1 plus let's add the constant of integration, which is the arbitrary constant c. Now let's convert that integral back to the x world. So instead of u, I can just write log x. So I have log x to the power, that minus m plus 1 can be just written as 1 minus m divided by 1 minus m plus constant of integration c, and this is nothing but your final result. Are you struggling with trigonometric integrals? I have created the full course which is completely free, the link of which you will see right here.